Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up bundle in Shopify. And here's how it's done. 1. Choose a bundling method. There are 3 ways to create bundles in Shopify. Manual bundles. Create a new product listing for the bundle. Using variants. Let customers choose bundled option. 2. Create a manual bundle, simple method. Go to Shopify admin. Products. Add product. Name your bundle. Example. Fitness starter pack. Add images, showing all products in the bundle. Set the price. Offer a discount to make it attractive. Edit inventory. Track as a single product or adjust manually. Save and publish the bundle. 3. Use variants for customizable bundles. Go to products, add product. Scroll to variants, add variant. Create options like bundle size, 2-pack, 3-pack, etc. Adjust pricing based on bundle size. That is everything you need to know about how to set up bundle in Shopify. And that is everything you need to know about how to set up bundle in Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.